The Rockies wearing black armbands and also a jersey. We remember 720 hanging in their dugout in honor of the 12 victims and 59 wounded at the Aurora theaters from late last night. And this statement, again, from the Colorado Rockies. The Colorado Rockies are deeply saddened by the horrific act of senseless violence that took place in our community early this morning. All Coloradans feel the pain and sorrow that has come with this tragedy. As part of the Colorado community, the Rockies share this pain with everyone involved. Our hearts go out to the victims and their families and friends, who will all be in our thoughts and prayers during this trying time. And if you want to give blood, which is always a wonderful idea, and I know they've had a number of people step forward, but again, in the Denver area, you can go to the Bonfils Blood Center. There are 6 metro locations, or you can go down to Children's Hospital. For more information, 720-777-6373. 720-777-6373.